Hi, I'm Craig, and today I'm going to talk about the letter U. The letter U can be pronounced in several different ways. I'm going to start with U. Bus, bus. Under, 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 over, under. Drum, drum. It can also be pronounced like U. June, June, June. These two have the same pronunciation, but they are different. This is a month. This is the sixth month of the year, and this is here. A dune is like a hill made of sand. Yeah, a hill made of sand that would be found in the desert. No, dune. And funeral, funeral. If the U comes before the S on the last syllable of the word, it is pronounced U, similar to the first sound. Walrus, walrus. Circus, circus. Virus, virus. The U can also be pronounced year. It's difficult to pronounce without a word. Year, year. I'll give you some examples. Insure, insurance, insurance. Luxurious. We have three U's. Luxurious. We have three different sounds for the U in one word. Lux, luxurious, luxurious. If the U comes before a vowel, it's an A, E, I, O, U, it is often pronounced like a W, like W, W. Penguin, penguin. Quack, quack. Quick, quick. And that U can also be pronounced like I. Busy, busy. Business, business. Are you able to hear the difference in pronunciation of the following words? Feud, feud. Use, use. Computer, computer. United, united. Security, security. If you like this video, please remember to like and subscribe and leave a comment in the comment section so I know you would like to see more videos like these. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.